guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to make a cute DIY. So here I have taken a MDF coaster and I will color it with white and pink color. In this way we will color it. Now we will trace the image of Cupid and heart in this way. Draw it with pencil is not easy on acrylic paint, so I have traced the image here. Image link is provided in description box. You can download this image from there. For coloring I am using acrylic paint markers. This company says we can use these colors on any surface. Let's check how's the result. First shake the color nicely, then gently press it point and then it will start working. And the color is very nice, very smooth in coloring. It's working on MDF board like I am coloring on a paper. The tip of color is sharp so that I can easily color in small parts. And the best part is it is really easy to use. Almost every color is here. I got 40 colors in multicolor pack. So here I would recommend, definitely you should buy these colors. The link is provided in description box. So here all the product links are provided in description box for your reference. I am very happy with the coloring result. I never thought coloring can be so easy on MDF board like this. You won't get any brush stroke, no need to second coat. So definitely go with these colors. Add some more hearts here to make it more beautiful. I hope you like this cute DIY. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. You can create this DIY for your dear ones and you can use it for your home decoration. So many ways you can use it. And after completing, we will lock it with varnish. So here is the final look.